Alright, this is my lab video for Lab 2. Here you have my board with my name and one of Maxwell's laws on it. Here you have all the buttons. The middle button represents sonar, so collision detection. Left and right represent the left and right photodiodes that control steering. And then far left and far right represent the up and down photodiodes that control servo movement. So if sonar is sensed, a collision is detected and the robot stops. If it's driving, if the right photodiode senses light, it steers to the right. If the left photodiode is activated, it steers left. If both are activated, then the robot knows to drive straight. And that's what both of these lights indicates, is that both the left and right wheels will be moving. It'll steer straight ahead. So you can have both active at the same time for straight driving. Now, if it encounters a collision while it's driving, the collision detection overrides the steering, and so the robot stops. So then you have the servos. If light is detected above the robot, the servo moves up to follow it. If the diode detects light to the bottom of the robot, the servo will turn down. And if both detected at the same time, the servo actually stops moving. It doesn't move at all. Because unlike the drive that's rolling wheels to move it forward constantly, the servo is only rotating the head. And so it should stop when the light is directly ahead because it's facing it. Now what's really cool about this is that it can be moving the servo and still hit a collision. Hold on. So it can be moving the servo up and then detect a collision and the servo will still move. Or you have, it's moving down, collision, nothing happens. You can also have the servo moving while it's driving. So click, 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 turn that off, turn that off, turn that off. So it's independent of that. Same thing with this one. So there you have it. Here's my breadboard. I got everything nice and flush. I trimmed one of the buttons a little short, so I'm gonna get a replacement just so I have it stay in a little better. But otherwise, that's my lab.